Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of PC Build. Hope you all are having a great time today. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel MS Light so I can post more of these contents and try to help the community. This would be a tutorial video on how to use your iOS and Android device as a webcam. You can do all of these cool features by adding filters and covering everything. So without further ado, let's get right into the video and show you how you can do all of this. For this project, you would need 5 pieces of items that are very essential to start this work. So the beginning of the process is you should get one of these 4K HDMI video capture card with an male double-sided USB. It would be better if you have a 3.0 because these capture card normally works on a 3.0 version. So I do have a regular male double-sided cable. It does the job, so I don't need to worry about the high-speed USB cable. Plus you would need an iPhone dongle. You can get one of these from Amazon for a very good price. I will link all the I will link the description and Amazon link in my bio, but I'm not getting anything back from them. Plus you would need an HDMI cable, and on top you would require any old model iPhones to do this process. This procedure can be done as well with a Samsung device. I will link the Amazon link right in the description, and I will post a picture right here in the corner showing that what type I would prefer to buy for if you want to use a Samsung device instead an iPhone device. So let's get this set up. One thing to mention about these dongles that is very helpful, and it's kind of like a very technically for me it was very exciting to use because this dongle included 2 USB ports and a lightning port. So for the lightning port, it's to keep charging your device if you are mirroring your iPhone to a screen, or you can use the USB ports to connect a mouse or a keyboard. Or plus, what I was very exciting about is to use it for transferring pictures and videos from your phone to your USB. So if you have a picture that you saved it in a USB from your computer, you can transfer directly from your iPhone to your from your PC. From your USB to your iPhone without a hassle. So it is very helpful, and I am very shocked and surprised on how efficient and effective this device is. Because to me, a lot of these devices, I thought it might be fake, it might not be compatible, but I love this one, and I would definitely recommend this to anyone who wants to transfer. First of all, you connect the male cables to the HDMI cable and to the computer itself. So if you connect it directly to the motherboard, it's way much better because it's faster. And then you will be using the in slot for the HDMI. Okay, we will not use the out because we're not going to be using a different screen to show it on the screen. But all we need for this type of video is just to use the in. So by connecting the in HDMI cable, I did not want to advertise that, I apologize. So you connect just like that, and then the other side of the cable will go to the HDMI on the iPhone dongle. On the PC side, what we need to do is a little bit more technical, but as long as we follow the steps properly, we should get everything up and running. Plus, we need certain type of apps to allow us broadcast what we are actually looking into. So one of the main thing I'm using here is sorry for that. One of the main thing I'm using here is OBS Studio, or OBS Studio. Yes, OBS Studio, and as you can see, I already set up the screen for display capture. So for you guys, this should be completely empty. But if you are familiar with OBS Studio, you should be able to perform this act. So the first step is, once you connect the dongle to your iPhone or to your Samsung device, it should ask you for authorization. Let me show you an example before we even jump into anything. Okay, so an example of the authorization I cannot show because it only shows up once, but I can show you an example of the where did I put it? Right here. Okay, so technically this is the screen that comes from the dongle, but if I turn mirroring on from my iPhone device, we should get a mirror of what we actually see onto my iPhone, as you can see here. So how do you access it? You swipe from the right corner to get your control bar, and then you click on these two screens that are blinking right now, and that will show you what dongle is connected or how many other Apple TVs or Fire Sticks you have. Most people who have been using mirroring on their iPhones or iPads, they're very familiar with this. So we'll move on once you got that working. So what happens is, let me open a brand new scene. So this scene will be TES2, just in case, because I already made test 1 and I was testing the camera and the screen, the mirroring screen at the same time. So for you guys, this is how you see it when you first open up. So I think you will not be seeing anything right now, just in case, because of the whole screen capture. But I will add screen capture, display capture, and display capture. This is the original display that I've been using right now. So once you got the display capture, you don't even need display capture for this kind of situation, but it's better to have a screen to look at and understand how to use. So here you add a video capture device. So here I already made, as you can see, cam and iPhone, so they're for both of my devices. So technically, when you do create new, you just put a name and you open it up. So right now I do have my iPhone, but what I'm gonna, so I will do an example because it's the same steps by opening new. So we just open, we'll just open the iPhone, because all you guys do will save that iPhone. But when there's nothing here on the screen, you double click on, so let me shrink this and put it on the side. You will double click here on the iPhone capture symbol. Once you double click, it will give you a window showing you what you have, and here you can, for devices, you will use the USB device video. So once you do that, you click on OK. Sometimes it will not pop, it might take a little bit of time. You just need to do it a few times, keep opening, closing, and opening it up again, and then once you see the preview up here, then you know you are in good hands and it's up and running. So right now you can see that my iPhone is mirrored and everything is showing up. So now, how do you use the camera feature in this situation? So I have found many ways to do it. For some people, as they know, all you need to do is open your message. And this was one of the good ways that a lot of people I noticed were like, this is probably a spam or someone was sending me a snap. So here you can see the camera is backwards, and if you switch, I'm right here trying to record on my headset. So you can interact with your phone, then try to choose whatever you want or however you like to show. If you don't like to show your face, you can show one of these emojis and make it look very nice and comfortable. Another thing that I did was using my Snapchat. So when you open your Snapchat, it will show the same thing and you can interact at the same time. The only issues you can see here, when you move your head around and you're not facing that camera, it will go away. So whenever you're doing this, please make sure to look straight at the camera and interact with everyone. So I forgot to ask you guys to like and subscribe so I can post more of these videos and help you guys on improving your recordings. Okay, so once you do that, then now you know how to get it in the screen. So for most of you guys being familiar with using an OBS, so technically as you can see right now, I have the my screen here as a webcam, plus I have the regular theme. So if I try to play a game or something, it will pop on the top of my OB screen. So let me display capture is this one. So what I would do is I need to I will play a video. Oh no, sorry. As you guys all know, I have been playing God of War for quite some time, and I have finished God of War finally. As it was very, very complicated. When I was reaching to the end, I kind of lost the footage for my Valkyrie Queen. So when I was trying to beat her up, I lost footage, and that was very devastating for me. So, so what are we doing now? Now we have this over here, our layer. I'm trying to play right now I keep forgetting the name. Atomic Heart. That's what I'm trying to play. So I'm here. I will switch my display from 1 to 2. And you can see, here we go. So now I'm playing Atomic Heart on my screen, and I'm using my iPhone as a camera. So let's okay this, and you guys can see here on the screen my iPhone. I think so this is in one part of the issue that you will probably lose connection from time to time, but as long as you keep it active, or if you use the Messenger app to do your recordings, then technically it will not log you out. So when you do it this way, you're interacting with everyone, and as I know, there's a lot of other features in iPhone that you can use green screen and all the other features on your iPhone. So now you can play your game and use your iPhone as a webcam. You can point it in everywhere direction, get a better quality picture and angle. So hope you guys like this video. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe because I will try to post more, but with your support I will definitely make more. Please leave your comments down below, and I will be playing Atomic Heart later, so keep watching those as well. So see you guys next time, same place online on PC Builds this time. Good night.